I'm so bored. Dude, Thomas? I don't know, but I'm leaving. Goodbye. With that, Thomas puffed away. He ran into Nigel's train. To see the new station that comes in nice someone. Thomas made to the station at 9 a.m. All the passengers were getting onto the coaches. Had to go on the side to look Nigel couple up to his train. Then, when Thomas was switched onto the other line, Thomas quickly rushed back into the siding and waved for Nigel, and he went very carefully not to bump the coaches. Look, Nigel, said Thomas. Thanks, said Nigel, and he puffed away. There's a new engine coming, too. He's coming here to help us with all the extra work. See? Well, if you ever see him, tell him I'm here, okay? Okay.